Welcome to the world of enhanced SEO and website visibility. Today we'll be discussing how high-quality profile backlinks can transform your online presence. Did you know that high-quality profile backlinks are one of the most critical factors in Google's ranking algorithm? They can boost your website's authority and credibility. Let's take a look at some real-life examples. We helped a client increase their website traffic by 200% in just 3 months using our proven backlink strategies. But it's not just about the numbers. High-quality profile backlinks can also help establish your brand as an authority in your industry. So, if you're ready to dominate the digital landscape and take your online presence to the next level, choose us. Let's get started.